human rights is very important here in Australia, because we have to demonstrate that all the people can come together for humanity. This is not just, it's for the Oromo people, but the main point is that these are normal people. They're our brothers and sisters. We're all a part of the one human race. So from that viewpoint, we are involved, and we see that our brothers and sisters in Oromia are being abused and killed, slaughtered and persecuted out of their homes and pushed away from their homeland. And this is inhumane activity, and we disagree with this action. So we want to bring awareness to the multicultural community, so that other communities can also join together under the banner of human rights, so that we can all support actually this one issue in the community.
We all are born free and equal, free to walk and free to talk, free to dance.
Our message is that if we come together as one people, we are much stronger. And if we work together, we have many resources. We can make a change, but we must work together as one community, and not just Oromia, not just Somalia, not just Sudan, not just Australia, New Zealand. We actually are living here in a multicultural community, and we need to demonstrate to the government here that actually we disagree with this kind of activity, and the government shouldn't be supporting that. We take the side of human rights, so we want to get everybody to come to this concert to see what is happening, and then we're going to act. We're going to draft a petition, and with that petition we're going to be able to bring in like the United Nations, and hopefully we can get them to open their ears and do something about it. But this is just the first step in uniting the people. It's the most important step to be able to make any kind of change.
Free to jump and free to prance, and what I'm saying, gotta keep it together. No matter how bad the weather, it will be alright. Keep it tight, cause we all got our freedom rights every day from the
message is that we would like to have many communities to be involved in these human rights events. These are, every single one of them is very important, and if I demonstrate from my community that I'm willing to help your community will be willing to help me when we have our issues. And if we together work together, we demonstrate to other communities that it can be done, and then we actually set an example. We can join more help, more resources, because our brothers and sisters are only the people on the ground, and if we band together, we're much stronger. So please join us. You're welcome to come and volunteer with us. Come to the concert, enjoy the night. It's a free entry. It's free food. It's African cuisine, beautiful food, and beautiful music and dancing. Everyone.